Just on Monday, former three-time Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif's party, the PML-N, kicked off their campaign with a rally in the Punjab province. Sharif's daughter and party vice president, Maryam Nawaz Sharif, addressed a large gathering at the rally on Monday.
Today, I want to tell the women and youth of Pakistan that the easing of inflation, ending the electricity crisis, ending the gas crisis, as well as improving the life of youth will be the targets of the upcoming Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz government.
नौजवानों का मुस्तकबिल मजबूत बनाने पे मेरी सबसे ज़्यादा तवज्जो होगी.
Meanwhile, the other major party in contention, the PPP, has hit out at the PML-N. PPP chairperson Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has promised to defeat Sharif's plan of becoming Pakistan's Prime Minister for the fourth time. At a press conference on Monday, Bilawal also accused the Punjab administration of targeting his party's candidates under the influence of the PML-N. The PPP head has repeatedly called out the lack of playing field in the upcoming elections. Ever since Nawaz Sharif's return from the self-exile last October, several opposition leaders have raised doubts over the elections being free and fair in Pakistan. And jailed ex-Prime Minister Imran Khan is no exception for that. The PTI founder has made fresh allegations against Nawaz Sharif, saying that the PML-N Supremo was playing with the support of quote-unquote two umpires. One can only assume from this cryptic statement that Khan is referring to Pakistan courts and the country's powerful military establishment.